loves. Today is going to be an extreme cleaning motivation video. We're going to be tackling my car. It is so muggy out here today, so I'm like already so gross and sweaty, and I just like cleared all of the mats out of the car because I want to rinse these off, vacuum these out. I need to do a really good deep clean of the kiddos' car seats. Got my coffee to try to tackle this job. Tried to get here early before it got too hot, but you can see there's just a lot of crumbs and dust and gunk sort of all in the car. So this is going to be a pretty detailed cleaning motivation video, and especially in the back seat here around the kiddos' car seats, we've got a lot of damage control to do here. The trunk isn't too bad. I've kept that relatively clean, but it definitely still needs a good vacuum out. So get ready for some extreme cleaning motivation today. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with my Resolve and my Febreze, and I've got these Clorox Sentivia wipes to kind of tackle the car seats here, but I think this one needs a good little just like shake out.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize.
So I'm just spot cleaning Landon and Presley's car seats with the Resolve, and then wiping down the cup holders and the straps with the Clorox wipes so that everything's disinfected. And then I'm just spraying them down with lots of Febreze so that they can air out all day outside. I feel like car seats start to smell, so if you have any other tips to keep them clean and smelling nice, please let us all know in the comments. And my lease will be up soon, so let me know your favorite mom cars in the comments and why you love your mom car if you do. Ideally, we're looking for one that could fit 3 car seats.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound.
Shake them out first, and I'm actually going to vacuum the bottom and then lay them down and vacuum the top so that if there was any crumbs on there, it gets off, and then the front is nice and clean.
I don't need another love, yeah. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise.
I'm gonna leave those mats to dry while I do the inside of the car. I'm just gonna add some pine sol to water for wiping down some of the interior. I'm gonna use that pine sol and water mixture and just wet this rag. And it's actually what I'm gonna use to just wipe down these plastic mats that I use so they get nice and clean. And they can sit out and dry then while I clean the inside of the car. It seriously is so sweaty. My sunglasses are like sweating off of my nose. But I hope that this car clean with me video gives you some extreme car cleaning motivation for a midsummer cleaning of your car. I feel like ours needed it pretty badly, and I'm guessing if you've had any summer road trips or just doing fun stuff with the kids since they're out of school, maybe you could use some car cleaning motivation too. And while you watch this video, I would love to know what you'd like to see me clean in my next video. I love getting your requests, and I'm doing a deep clean with me series on my channel. So please let me know if you have any cleaning questions. Maybe I could do a cleaning Q&A too. If you think that's a fun idea, let me know that in the comments. And don't forget, click the thumbs up if you like cleaning motivation on my channel. And if you're new, please subscribe and join our community. We are almost 200,000 1,000 strong. I cannot believe it. Thank you for sharing my videos and my vlog with your friends. It just means the world to me. And I love helping inspire you to clean, make your home, or in this case, your car, a better space and place. And I just love having you here. You truly bring me so much joy, and I just love having this cleaning queen community. So I hope that you know you make my day by watching my videos and showing your love and support, especially after the loss of my daddy. I miss him so much, but you guys make it a whole lot better. I truly mean that, and I just love you to pieces. I'm so glad that you're here. Now for this clean, I was wanting the car to smell super fresh, so I'm wiping everything down with lemon pine sol and water mixture, and then using Febreze on all of the carpeted areas of the car to keep it smelling really refreshed and clean for summer. And I'm also using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaning Spray. It's a mint scent on the windows and the glass, and it smells amazing. If you haven't tried it, you should. I'm also using my Dyson cordless vacuum to vacuum out my car for this clean, and I love using the different attachments on it. It truly does the job, and it just is so much easier being cord free. So I will link my vacuum and also where I get my cleaning supplies in my description box if you'd like to check anything out for yourself. And I do just want to thank you if you do use my links, because I do get a small kickback when you use my links. So if there's ever something you see that you would like a link to that really supports me and my family and my channel, so always feel free to ask me for a link for something. Now for this weird stain. I am not sure what this was. Ugh. So I'm using the Method Anti-Back Spray, just letting it set for a bit. And I used a cotton swab. I actually got these adorable leopard ones from Swissburrs, and it really helps get into the crevice. And then I used the microfiber cloth to wipe everything up easily afterwards. And after a few rounds of spraying the anti-bac and using the Q-tip, I eventually got whatever this was all out. Still no idea what it could be. It also looked like there was a little spill next to P's seat, so I used Resolve on that area of the carpet, and it all came out. On the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But
this place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah.
Now for my cup holders and around my console, I used the same lemon, pine salt, and water mixture to wipe everything down, and then just used a cotton swab to get the gunk out of the cracks and crevices. And I also used cotton swab sprayed with the Method Mint glass cleaner to clean the vents and the chrome detailing and around the locks and the window buttons, just to get all of the dust off of those.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
Well, here is the final result of the deep clean of my car. Thanks so much for doing this car clean with me today. I hope that it gave you extreme cleaning motivation so that you can tackle your to-do list or clean out your car this summer. And just thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos before you go. Have an amazing day. Bye, loves.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.